In the corporate world, it's an often overlooked reality that many managers do not possess a strong grasp of finance. This gap in knowledge can subtly limit their effectiveness and growth as leaders. As managers rise to more senior positions, financial considerations become central to nearly every decision they make. Understanding financial principles is no longer optional. It becomes a critical skill that influences strategic choices and long-term success. Developing financial acumen is essential for managers who aspire to lead with confidence and drive meaningful results. Many managers find themselves facing an unexpected barrier as they advance in their careers. While early success often comes from operational expertise and hands-on problem-solving, leadership roles gradually shift focus toward resource allocation and financial decision-making. This transition can create an invisible ceiling for those who shy away from finance, limiting their growth and opportunities. Understanding the financial aspects of leadership becomes essential, as it enables managers to make informed choices that impact the entire organization. Without embracing these skills, even the most talented leaders may find their progression stalled. Throughout history, influential leaders like Andrew Carnegie have demonstrated that true success goes beyond technical expertise. Their mastery of capital strategy and financial thinking set them apart, enabling them to shape industries and drive lasting impact. By studying real-world examples, we see how understanding the flow of resources and making strategic financial decisions are crucial for leadership. These lessons remind us that developing financial acumen is as important as honing technical skills for anyone aspiring to lead effectively. Many skilled managers tend to shy away from finance, often because it appears complex and overwhelming. The way financial concepts are traditionally presented can make them seem inaccessible, even to those who excel in other areas of management. However, finance is not just about numbers. It is the fundamental language through which organizations make informed decisions. Understanding finance empowers managers to evaluate options, allocate resources effectively, and ultimately drive the success of their teams and organizations. By reframing finance as a practical tool for decision-making, its importance becomes clear and approachable for all managers. Throughout a leadership journey, there are key moments when a strong grasp of financial concepts becomes essential. Leaders who understand how financial decisions impact the broader strategy are better equipped to drive value creation within their organizations. This financial acumen allows them to bridge the gap between vision and execution, ensuring that strategic goals translate into measurable results. As a result, these leaders gain greater credibility and trust from stakeholders, positioning themselves for lasting success. Financial strategic leadership is about equipping leaders with the financial insights they need to drive their organizations forward. Unlike traditional accounting, which focuses on tracking numbers, this approach empowers decision-makers to use financial information as a tool for strategy and growth. Leaders ask critical questions. How can we create lasting value? What investments will fuel sustainable growth? And how do our financial choices align with our long-term vision? By focusing on these core questions, leaders can steer their organizations toward enduring success. Financial understanding is not an innate talent, but a skill that anyone can develop with dedication and practice. For managers and entrepreneurs, building strategic financial intuition can transform the way you lead and make decisions. As you deepen your grasp of financial concepts, you'll find new opportunities to guide your team and organization more effectively. Embracing this learning journey not only enhances your confidence, but also unlocks pathways to greater leadership success. Financially intelligent managers possess a distinct advantage in the workplace. Their ability to interpret financial data allows them to make confident decisions, even in uncertain situations. By spotting risks and opportunities early, they help their organizations stay ahead of the curve. This proactive approach not only drives better results, but also earns them the trust and respect of senior leaders. Ultimately, their quiet expertise becomes a powerful asset to both their teams and the company as a whole. Financial understanding is not just a valuable skill, It's the cornerstone of effective leadership. Leaders who grasp the principles of finance are better equipped to make informed decisions, drive organizational success, and inspire confidence in their teams. As you continue your journey, remember that mastering financial concepts will empower you to lead with vision and clarity. Explore more about leadership, strategy, and financial thinking to unlock your full potential. Please comment below if you find this useful. There is also a link below on my book on leadership history lessons.